Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to print an eBay packing slip with the price and shipping amounts showing. It used to be very easy to do, but recently eBay has changed it and it's a little bit more work, but you can do it from your seller hub. So let's get started and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. I would like to thank Helen Gearhart and a few other people who commented on my video the other night. So I figured I would make this to show as many people as I can. So let's say you have an item that you want to ship right now. You start right here in your seller hub and you find the item you want to ship. Right here is a little drop-down menu. You're going to click on this and this screen is going to come to a drop-down right here and you're going to click on Print Shipping Labels or Invoices. By the way, it may interest you to know that this particular item here was sold via promoted listings. And if you have anything that was sold via promoted listings, it will tell you in green in your sales record. But let's continue to the next screen and you will select this choice, Invoice/Packing Slip. Then you will click Continue. And here it will bring up the item in question. This particular item, as you can see, it shows you the subtotal, $107.90, the shipping paid by the buyer, $15, and the total is $122.90. I find this very helpful to include with all my orders in case there's any kind of a problem whatsoever. The buyer knows he got it from me, and if he needs to contact me, he will keep the contact through the eBay message system. Up till about 6 months ago, I used to include an actual store invoice with every purchase. But as many of you know, I had a big problem with people circumventing the eBay return system and calling me directly. And that's just not going to fly. Anything that's purchased on eBay should be returned on eBay, and therefore I find this very helpful, and I certainly hope you guys too. Please guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this procedure, or any eBay procedure, put it in the comment section below. This is just a special add-on video to the one I did Friday night. This shows you how to actually print the eBay packing slip. At this point in time, I do not think eBay plans to go back to the old method, so we're stuck with this for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday night. Rock on and peace. And remember, I'm Crazy New York Driver, and you're not.